Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk stabilizer sway bar links used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels. Lift the front of the vehicle. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. To change the sway bar links on your vehicle, you need to remove the wheels to gain full access to the suspension system. Don't forget to slide the wheels under the vehicle. The sway bar links connect the sway bar to the control arm and the shock absorbers to always keep the wheels firmly on the ground. Hold the upper part of the link using a T40 Torx bit. These elements can often get jammed, so use a penetrating oil to facilitate the operation. Then unscrew the lower nut using a socket wrench and a 13mm socket. Remove the nut. Then the sway bar link. You can use a hammer to help you. Then lever it off using a crowbar between the sway bar and the control arm to remove the link.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new sway bar links. Unscrew the lock nut on the stem. Remove the suspension strut support bearing. Then the sway bar link. Next, use a crowbar to pry between the sway bar and the control arm so that you can put the link back in place. Put the threaded rod back in place. Put the mount in place, then screw it in place, but not completely. Hold the upper part of the link using a T40 Torx bit. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your car back on the ground and block the wheels securely. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.